Okay. So these Acer keys, molting them. Oh no! No! Wait. Oh, wait, let me see the odds. These are the odds. Dude, give me something good like the first one. Please. Actually, I got everyone, so it's probably just gonna proceed to just give me Acer blocks. I almost got two of them. Anyways. Um, let's see what we do.